how do we find the slope of a line? Well, here we have a definition. Slope equals the change in y, and that triangle is just that Greek capital delta symbol, which means change in. So the change in y over the change in x. And you'll be seeing that capital delta a lot in your mathematics and science. Let's come over to our graph. Remember, y is the vertical movement, and x is a horizontal movement. So let's plot 2 points on our line. Let's plot this point right over here and this one right over here. So when you're trying to find the slope of a line, you need to plot 2 points on your line. And then let's start with the change in y, because that's our top there, the numerator. So to get down to this other point, how many spaces do we have to move down? Well, let's count it. We have to move down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces. 6 spaces. And we're moving in a negative direction. Why? Because here we were at positive 4, right over here, and now we're at negative 2. So we moved down 6 spaces, which means we have a negative 6. So let's write that in over here, negative 6 over, and what is our change in x? Well, x goes 1, 2, 3. 3. Positive 3. Why? Because we were at negative 1 and now we're at positive 2. So that is positive 3. So we can write that in. Negative 6 over positive 3. Just think about 6 divided by 3 equals 2, and add that negative, we have negative 2. So our entire slope equals negative 2. That is our answer. So let me be very clear. We could have picked any other point on this line and gotten the same answer. So let me delete this, and let's pick 2 new points. Let's say we pick, let's pick this point right over here, and this point right over here. So these are 2 points that are close together. All right. So what is our change in y? Well, y moves down 1, 2 in a negative direction. So it would be negative 2. And what is a change in x? X moves positive 1. Positive 1. And again, what's negative 2 over 1? And this is also negative 2. Alright, so that is how you find the slope of a line. You pick 2 points, and then you use this definition, the change in y over the change in x, and then you solve for those points. I hope this video was helpful, and like always, stay positive.